How to find bank account number and routing number on Payoneer. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Let's get right into the tutorial. In order to find bank account number and the routing number on Payoneer, open your preferred browser first and in the search bar search for myaccount.payoneer.com/ma. You will be led to the official webpage of Payoneer. Make sure to log in and you will be taken to the home page of Payoneer. You will see the balances section now. By default, the option for balances are USD, Euro, and GBP. If your account has been approved and has a specific currency, you will be able to see the bank account number and routing number that is in your Payoneer account. Tap on the Receiving Accounts option, and if your account has been approved, this particular user interface will show you all the details you seek for from your bank account. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.